Yeah, thank you very much for supporting me. Yeah, now I'm going to show one different haircut for our model. Yeah, please welcome. So, she is my model. She don't want to cut too short. She want to maintain the length. Okay. So how much you want to maintain the length?
अब 140 से 120 નો સેટ છે.
She has such a long big hair, so we'll do a different haircut. నీట్గా ఫ్లోట్ చేయడానికి నీట్గా ఫ్లోట్ అవ్వడానికి మనకి వెట్ ఉండాలి హెయిర్ ఆల్వేస్. So such a big hair. So I'm taking sections for the haircut related to the haircut. I'm taking very small triangle here on the top crown. Here I am taking small triangle section. So I took very small triangle section here. So just I left everything general. So this is my guide. So I want to make, so according to the customer length, I need to cut. So we need to maintain the parameters, length parameters. Okay. So how she wants to make. So this is my last length. So I am going to cut this much of length. I am reducing this much of length. Okay. So this is the line. Okay. So now I am cutting just point cut. Don't make a mistake. Cut the point. See, this is the way you have to cut with the thumb. We need to move only with the thumb. Okay, just release it. So I created the guide. Done. I created the guide. This is my first layer. Okay. Then I need to follow the entire hair the same way. So from there again I'm taking from here behind the ear. Okay, so then take nicely and comb it nicely and hold it this way and then twist here. Okay, comb it nicely like this way and hold with the left finger, then take it out here, then twist it here, then twist and cut with this. This is the technique. So this is the way. You need to cut all to the entire length. Okay? This is I'm cutting. We need to take a very small section. Don't take very big sections. Always, when you want to cut this type of haircut, always take only thin sections. Don't take very much of thicker. So same, we need to elevate here, and then twist it here itself. Okay, then twist again from here. So hold it tightly and cut nicely with the only movement of the single finger. Then the same way we need to follow previous construction. So lift, elevation and the same way. Very simple and faster. So my front section is done. So I need to follow back the same way. So I want to put some water. Always it has to be with hair. So completed my water spray. So I am maintaining the same length. I am not going to cut very shorter. Just I am maintaining the same length. So here again I am taking at the back. So the same way we need to take how we took in the front and all. So back side we need to take the vertical sections. Always we have to follow vertical sections, and the same way we need to elevate here. So hair is very dry. So always with this cut, we have to elevate here, then twist. Don't bring here. We have to elevate here and twist it here itself. Okay, this is the way, and I am cutting here itself. See. Maintaining the same length. So I am maintaining the same length. I am not cutting much. So I am giving layers. I am giving layers. I am adding layers to the hair. Okay. So next the same way. So same again. Elevation here. And twist and cut. The same again. I need to follow entire the hair till here. Always we need to take vertical sections in the back. Sides also vertical section we need to take. Okay. So hair should be wet always while you cutting the hair. While you cutting the hair, always hair should be wet. So this is my guide again. I am following the guide. So same way I am cutting. Again, follow the same. Here I need to elevate. So I am changing left position according to the section. I am changing my position. always keep in mind, we have to change our position according to the section. Done. Just it takes 3 minutes more, not more than that. We will finish within 3 minutes. So after that, we can do with iron curls or blow dry and soft blow dry, in both blow dry curls, whatever. So simply it's done. Almost my off section is done, and the rest is very small section is left. Very small, just only one part of my hair is left. Sections always. So if you take a thicker section, what will happen? It will come layers, but you will get much layers. I'm not reducing length. I'm keeping length. I'm keeping length, and I'm giving more layers to. I'm adding more layers to the hair.
Straightening
So
చేస్తారా?
last section, but not
లాస్ట్
least.
వైట్ షర్ట్ వేసి
ఆ, మీ బ్యాచ్ కాదా
So, my
మీ బ్యాచ్ కాదా
ముందు బ్యాచ్
before last section.
ఆయన మానేసి మళ్ళీ వచ్చాడు సార్ దగ్గర
Same way we need to elevate.
ఎక్కడ చేస్తున్నా జాగ్వాలో చేస్తున్నాను
This way and cut.
పోనీ సెలూన్స్
Again. New process also we can do it. This haircut.
ఈయన దాంట్లో వేకెన్సీస్ ఉన్నాయంట
The
కదా
last
మాన్యువల్
section.
ఏడలేవు
గ్రీన్ నాకు చెప్పండి ప్రయత్నం నగర్లో ఉంది
So this is my last section.
మేడన్ని క్వశ్చన్లు
Which I am going to do now.
మేడన్ని
So this
క్వశ్చన్లు
is the last.
మేడం
ఆడిన పిచ్చి పిచ్చి క్వశ్చన్లు వేసిండాడు మన దాంట్లో వాడు ఉంటాడు
And maintain the length shape. So I created layers from here to till here. So when you clutch here, it looks very beautiful hair. Okay. So now we are going to do now blow dry.
ఓరా అప్లోడ్ రేపు
సార్ ఉంటే చేయలేం బ్రో రప్ప రప్ప కొట్టేస్తాడు తొందర చేయలేం
So now we will twist and twist.
నీది ఓన్ సెలూనా ఓన్ సెలూన్ పెట్టి
Twist.
అదే చెప్పాలా ఖర్చు నుంచి కొంచెం ముందుకు వస్తే చైతన్య హెయిర్ సెలూన్ ఉంది కదా అదే
So we can do it only here with the little fringe.
ఇక సొంతంగా ఉండాలి కదా. ఎప్పుడైనా ఎన్ని చేసినా అని మళ్ళీ ఇళ్ళకి రావాల్సిందే లాస్ట్
People like the fringe. So if you do a fringe, always go this way and cut. So if you want to keep a left arm, you have to go this way and cut here. Then just
బ్రో చైర్ తెచ్చుకో బ్రో
so now we will come like. Okay, my haircut is done. So after that, I'll blow dry and okay, चलो. Blow dry करने के बाद फिर वापस लेके आते हैं. अभी I'm going to do blow dry. So next demonstration makeup I think so. Please.